Forklift by me. My goal is to build a controller without wires. Basically, it's a Bluetooth and a forklift that can lift balls, turn right and left, and make sounds. Program it, then do test runs. My design is basically to make a Bluetooth controller and make the forklift go up and down that can carry things. I have the colors gray, black, blue, and a tiny bit of orange. It was very easy to build, but very difficult to find the pieces. I used 2 NXT controllers, 4 motors, 6 wires, 1 ultrasonic sensor, a touch sensor, and 2 much Legos. This part of the program is a small part of the program. This part of the program is a loop that will continuously read and process the button and speed variables, which are set by the 2 subtasks below. This is the forklift itself. This is a very small part of a gigantic loop. This part of the loop is for if. For example, if the left arrow button is pressed, then set button test to 1. The whole program is contained in a big forever loop because we keep taking readings, sending them, and displaying them over and over. I did a couple of test runs, and each time I made something better. For example, I changed the speed of the forklift. If I did it again, I wouldn't want to change it. So this is to go forward and backward. And if you press this, with this, it'll go up and down. And then it can also make sounds. If you touch the touch sensor, press this, it'll make different sounds. And it can also go left and right. And if you go up, and you can go forward.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions for her? So you're not using the sensors for the forklift? Looks like you have a light sensor in the back and a color sensor in the back and an ultrasonic sensor.
That was part of the build, but I didn't use it.
Okay. So you're not using it. That's fine. And you said that you're using what to control it?
I'm using Bluetooth.
Okay. All right. Does anyone else have any questions for her? No? All right.
Any improvement you can make?
Yeah. I can make the forklift more, like, better. Instead of it keeps on falling, I can, like, when I make it go fast like that, sometimes this thingy falls, and I can make it better so it wouldn't fall.
Okay.
I don't know. Okay, just end the video.
Okay. Thank you. Let's give her a round of applause.